today. Today we're going to put the Roborock S5 through the testing room. Pretty excited to have the second robot of this series go. I'm curious how well it's going to do. I think it's going to get the job done very quickly, and I think it's going to do overall a very good job. So we'll be comparing this to the Roomba S9 Plus, which is the first one that went. And we'll see how it works on thick carpet, medium carpet, standard kind of a thinner carpet, carpet tiles, a hard floor, and then tiles themselves with debris in between where the grout would normally go. Once again, we got white rice, fruity pebbles, and then sand. We'll see how well it goes over and how much it sucks out after the testing is done. Then I'll kind of compare it with the Roomba S9 Plus, and I'll let you know which one did better or if they're about the same. I also put one jelly bean in each section. If you didn't watch the S9 video, for some reason, I left one on the thick carpet and the medium, but got all the other ones. Alright guys, so once again, Roborock S5, put it on its maximum suction power. Gonna let it go one time, it's gonna come back and dock, and then we'll see how well it did. Alright, well I'm gonna start this up in just a second. We're gonna switch to the overhead view, and then we can see how this guy reacts on each carpet surface or hard surface. Should be a pretty good test overall. Let me know in the comments, please, what exactly you'd like to see with this testing room. Because right now I don't feel like, there's a lot of information to be given here, but I don't feel like I'm doing it right in the sense of showing you all this capabilities. So I guess I'm asking, a few people said they wanted me to weigh the material before I throw it down. So have a completely blank slate, maybe weigh up, I don't know, 12 ounces of a mixture of materials, and then at the end of the test we'll weigh it and see how much it actually picked up. I think that's something I'm going to have to do. I'm going to start doing that after this video. And if those are a hit, I'll redo these guys, the Roborock S5 and the Roomba S9 Plus, and we'll weigh the bin and see exactly how well they all do. Alright guys, if you're new, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, helps me out a lot. And if you like these types of videos, this is definitely the channel for you. I have about 15 robot vacuums that I'll be doing the same exact test with. And then at the end, we'll be able to see which one is truly the best and which one is truly the worst. Also, this is giveaway video number 2. So somewhere in this video, you're going to see a 3-digit code, whether it be letters or numbers. The first code was on the Roomba S9 Plus video. I'll link that in the description. And then after you find the 2 hidden codes, email me at techandmore66@gmail.com, and then you'll be entered into a drawing to win a Roomba 981 for totally free. Alright, once again, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go to the overhead. Alright everybody, the Roborock S5 is done. This thing got it done very quickly compared to the Roomba S9 Plus. That thing took almost 3 hours to do this little area because I had to go back and charge, and that's one of the negatives I have about that robot. Now on to the Roborock. Did this area in 33 minutes and still has 74% battery life left. Now that is impressive. It's one huge plus on the Roborocks. All the Roborocks, they're smart. They all have big batteries. And that's how it should be. This Roborock can clean my upstairs in about an hour and 15 minutes total time. And both Roomba S9 Plus and my i7 Plus have to go back and charge, making the job over 3 hours. And that to me is just ridiculous. But anyways, let's see how good of a job this guy did. Actually looks really, really quite good. This is why this is in my top 2 robots ever. I'll be honest, I can't wait for the Roborock S7 to come out with the self-empty bin. As you know, I'm holding out to get that guy. I just don't feel like testing just the robot. I want to do the whole package. And if it's as good as this guy at all with the self-empty bin, it's going to be simply amazing. But anyways, as you can see, this carpet, absolutely flawless. Even the thick carpet, which as you saw during that overhead shot, it was definitely struggling. It was going really slow. The patterns it was taking was a little bit off, but it literally got up everything. Both jelly beans are gone, which the Roomba S9 Plus left on both surfaces, which is kind of crazy. This carpet, clean. This one, not as good, but remember we can't count the thresholds because the robots just can't handle. If it's at an uneven level, it's obviously not going to clean, so we're not going to count thresholds, but it did miss a little bit here. Hardwood floor, once again, looks great. Unfortunately, these thresholds are not working out like I expected, but if we keep it even for every single robot, it's still not really going to matter. Onto the tile. I threw a little bit of Fruity Pebbles back there. They are completely gone. And then as far as the gaps, I'd say about the same on the sand. These really are having issues getting the sand out. And then the Fruity Pebbles, I'd say it's pretty close as well compared to the Roomba. The rice, I'd say the Roomba maybe got a little bit more rice out from what I'm seeing. But overall, I think this guy did a little bit better job, especially on these 2 carpets. They look immaculate. So what do you guys think? You excited to get that S7 with the self-empty bin? I will definitely be buying it. Don't know when it's coming out, but it's definitely going to be a good overall vacuum. As you saw in the video, went over the black carpet, no issues, which is good. Oh, what's that? Left a little bit of Fruity Pebbles around it, but once again, is probably driving right in the middle of it. And it was kind of off balance, so that's probably why you see the Fruity Pebbles there. What's this thing? Oh, yeah, we don't need that, do we? Alright. So that's about it for this Roborock S5. Once again, I've always loved this robot vacuum. My top 2 without a doubt. First one probably being the S9 Plus, but only because it has the self-empty bin. If the S7 is as good as this one and the self-empty bin is really made well and works perfectly, I'm almost going to guarantee it's going to be my new favorite robot vacuum, beating out the Roomba. Alrighty, that's going to wrap up this video. Once again, if you saw that code, email me at techandmore66@gmail.com. I'll also put that down in the description. You need a code from this video and then the Roomba S9 Plus video. And on May 1st, whoever sends me the correct codes will be entered into the drawing. And I'll be drawing on May 1st. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a live video where we'll do the drawing and then we can all just chill and talk about robot vacuums and any questions you have about this channel. I think that could be a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. I haven't done many live videos, but I definitely want to start doing more. Alrighty, thanks again for watching. If you have any ideas for this room or future tests, please let me know. I do try to read all comments, and I definitely take your ideas into consideration. And have yourselves an awesome day. I'll see you in the next one.